FYI 11 tips to improve Windows 10 slow performance. If you're experiencing Windows 10 slow performance, you may try these tips below. Tip 1, restart your computer. Tip 2, update Windows and device drivers. Tip 3, disable start. Tip 4, disable effects and animations. Tip 5, for corrupt Windows updates. Run the following commands as admin: sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/check healthdism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Tip 6, stop resource hungry programs. Tip 7, disable fast startup. Tip 8, free up disk space. Defragment and check disk, chkdsk. Tip 9, remove on programs, in Windows Safe Mode, if needed, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. Tip 10, check your PC for malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. Tip 11, reset Windows 10.